Hey boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Now you're probably wondering, where the hell has this guy been, right? Well, it hasn't been spending all my time growing this, that's for sure. But I've been busy building that. Yes, boys and girls, it's a new TED shed. So it's got a ways to go yet. Let me show you what I've done so far. Well, first things first, as you can see, it's all completed inside, everything's done. I still have to put sheathing on the walls here. I got some storage sheathing to put up top, and I've got to run electric down here and across here, and then I have to build my workbench here. My lift is in here already, and that's going to get over here on this wall, and what's going to end up happening is this is going to be part storage, part TED shed. I'm going to be doing some work in here. If I have to work on the bikes will come in here, but this is going to be a lot, mostly storage. Tool shed, all the tools are going in here, so if I need to do some stuff, this is where it's going to happen. But I still have some work to do, and I've also got some concrete to do right here, right out front. There's got to be concrete work there, so that I can get the bike in here, and that's pretty much it. But that's what I've been up to. The weather hasn't been very agreeable. It's been raining quite a bit. We've had moments of sunshine, and I use those moments mostly to work on this and make sure I can get it secured inside. It's nice and dry in here. It doesn't get wet in here anymore. So now it's all nice and dry, and that's it. But as you know, I don't ride in the rain if I don't have to. So that's why I haven't been riding. And I know I promised another helmet review video, and that's coming up. There's a whole story behind that, but I'll tell you later. But anyway, in the meantime, thanks for coming. Thanks for sticking with the channel. I appreciate it. In the meantime, enjoy this video. Oops, turn this off. Hello, boys and girls. Oh my God. Has it not been forever since I did a video? Oh my God. Has it not been forever since I rode Sugar? Oh my God, look at this. The last time I rode this bike is when I went to the Keys, man. The Keys. That's the last time I rode this bike. Oh, I rode the Sportster a few times, but that was it. Man, oh man, it's been freaking crazy. I'll tell you all about it in a second. So, in case you've been wondering where I've been, if you follow my Instagram page, you'll see that I was very busy. I was building a shed, like you see here on the screen, right? Now, it's an 8x10 shed. It's the new TED shed. And inside that shed is all kinds of tools and my motorcycle lift and a couple other jacks and things like that, so that I can, you know, work on the bike, and I can do all kinds of woodworking and stuff like that and whatever. But that's what I've been doing for the last month. Every single day after work and on weekends, whenever I had a spare 30 seconds, that's what I was doing. I wasn't riding a motorcycle, I wasn't really riding a bicycle, I wasn't really doing much of anything else, but I was building that. So, with all my time, you know, kind of preoccupied doing that, it kind of took, and I had to do that. I just had to build the TED shed, because that helps us get crap out of the garage, mostly my tools that was consuming, and the lift, which was consuming a crap load of space. So that freed a lot of space up. Now I can move forward with other projects. oh well, I mean, that's been it. It's been a lot of work, you know. I like every day I was doing something, you know, just doing this and doing that, and it was just a lot, you know. I had some help. Brother Tim helped me a little bit, and the weather's been kind of like up and down, you know. We've been having those days where it's, you know, 30 degrees out, 20 degrees out, 40 degrees out, and then we had days where it was 70 degrees out, like today, 72 today. So, and it was nice. But also on those nice days, what was I doing? Working on the shed. So I couldn't really get out and ride. But the shed is pretty much done. I'm just loading it up with stuff still, and getting my tools in there and everything, and it's just keeping me busy. That's all. So I decided, you know what? Before it gets dark, because I don't really like riding at night. I will if I have to, but whatever. That's another story. But I said, you know what, before it gets dark, just let me get out, get on the bike, just go out, go get lottery tickets, buy a drink, just get out on the bike. Just put a few miles on and just, you know, do that. You guys know what I'm talking about. I mean, you know, you get off of work, you know, maybe you can't ride to work, you know, but you get off of work and you go, you know, man, I really wish I had get some time out and go ride. You just, I need some wind therapy. So, you know, you get up and you just, screw it, I gotta get out and go ride, even if it's only for a half hour, you know, something. All right, let me get in here and get these, buy my losing lottery tickets. Shooby-dooby-doo, scoo-dooby-shooby, la-dee-doo-doo-doo. All right. Well, we're gonna go back home in the dark. Oh boy, I know this has been a stupid little ride, but hey, you got to see some fun stuff. All right, where was I? Oh yeah, going home. Yeah, it's been kind of weird. I mean, it's just been so super freaking busy. But, and are things calming down? No. I still got some things to do on the shed yet, but that's neither here nor there. But interesting news is that 4 weeks from today, I am officially retired, boys and girls. You know what that means? I'll tell you what that means. That means that this guy is going to be busier than he is now, and I just saw a deer across the road. And we're going to slow down. Yeah, it's going to be super crazy. I know I've got things lined up already, all the other projects that I had started. Well, I shouldn't say that. I have other projects that need doing that are going to get done. I've already started doing them, and I'm hoping that I can get them accomplished quickly enough so that my days open up a little bit more, a little better. But we'll see. You know, I've got a lot to do. I got projects, and my new employer, whom is Mrs. Ted, has got me lined up for stuff. But aside from that, preparations are still being made for Sturgis. Although I do have reservations at a hotel, I have since learned that the hotel that I have reservations at is what's the best word I can use to describe? How do you describe a toilet in the building sense? I don't know if that's the correct way to look at it, but why I hate when I have cars coming at me. See, this is why I don't like riding at night. Anyway, well, it's just to say, it doesn't have much above a 1-star review. It's a crap hole is what it is. It's a crap hole. So I'm not going to be staying there. I am looking at other options, Airbnb. I'm looking at VRBO. I still have a request for a timeshare switch to another place up there in Deadwood, but haven't heard anything yet, so preparations are being made for that. I'm also working on planning my Blue Ridge mountain ride. So, but again, and even possibly Americade, but we'll see. So I've got some things going on, but I'm gonna be super busy. I'm just glad to be back on the bike, even if it's only for this short, tiny little ride, just to say hello and let you know what's going on. And that's it. You know, just, I haven't dropped off the face of the earth. I've just been busy. And I hope you enjoyed those last two helmet reviews that I did. There is a third one coming, and I can't wait to get that up. That's probably gonna be, who knows? I don't know if it's going to be the next one or not, but we'll see. But I do have to reshoot the video I already did for that. There were some errors, and I need to reshoot that. So, but anyway, thank you very much for watching. I didn't even know if you could see me. See my hand? Can you see my hand? Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sticking with the channel. I really super appreciate it. Give me a big old thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And I would say hit the bell, but I don't have a bell yet because I don't have that many followers. But yeah, and that's it, man. Peace out. Rock and roll.